Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name's Save with Crypto, and for the last few days I've been talking about the price of CRO, thinking that we're kind of near a bottom, and like we keep getting lower lows, don't we? So I think the other day I was thinking this was a bottom here, and then probably at the start of the month I was saying that was probably a low there. I mean, both of those were probably true, because like the price went up afterwards, but it seems to be coming down. Now, what are these magical purple lines that I've drawn here? Well, they are levels that I chose from the monthly. You can see that we haven't really got that many levels in the past that are of much significance. So we've got this kind of change of direction here from December 2024, and then we got this level here that looks fairly important. This was back in March 2021, and I think that's all we're looking at really on the monthly time frame. So could we get a bounce at 23,238? Let's go down to the 5-minute time frame, take a look. I mean, that would only be another 1.1%. Let's look at this with Quadzilla, and you can see here that we're starting to get the stochastics turn round here, so that's good, but I want to look on a larger time frame. Okay, well that's good. We're getting these green backgrounds on the 1 hour, just like we did back here on the 9th of September. Let's go a bit higher. Let's go to the 2 hour. Okay, there's nothing on the 2 hour at the moment, but this convergence band has really gone super thin, hasn't it? And it is well below that 20% mark. So I think we're going to get some signs of a turnaround very soon. Now, I know I've been saying that for a few days, and I probably look like an idiot because it keeps going down, and I think it's going to go up. But I do think it's going to go up. So I'm going to stick by what I'm saying. Now, the thing is, there's that level there, but there's also that one down there at 20.7 cents. And then I suppose going lower, we are probably looking at levels like this one here at 18.7 cents, round about there as well, due to that bit of interest there and a little bit around there. So that is 15.36 cents. I don't honestly think it'll go that low. I think we'll bounce fairly soon. But anyway, how have I been dealing with these low prices? Well, I've got a CRO card, so I filled my car up with petrol. Well, diesel actually. So I got 17 CRO for that, which is worth £3.15, not too bad. So that is the 4% cash back that I was expecting anyway. But the thing is, I was wondering what has happened to the Amazon Prime rebate, because I've been getting free Amazon Prime for 4 or 5 years now, and now they don't mention it. So I asked support about a week ago, and I got this answer, but it was an AI answer, so I didn't actually believe it. But it said the Amazon rebate offer is still available for Crypto.com cardholders to receive the rebate, blah, blah, blah. And that seemed fine. Okay. And I said, how about the airport lounge? Said, yeah, the airport lounge access is still available. I kind of knew that because I had an email the other day about that. But I still didn't believe them. So I said, is Amazon Prime rebate available for new users? And it said, yes, it is available for new users. Now, I didn't really believe this still. So I said, even with the new level up. And they said, yes, the Amazon Prime rebate is still available to new Crypto.com holders who have recently leveled up their card tier. So that's all really cool, isn't it? And I didn't believe it, though, because it's an AI answer. And I thought, who do I go to if it's wrong? Just another AI support person. So I was rather delighted to see this. So this was yesterday. This was the rebate for my Amazon Prime on the 13th of September. Fantastic. And of course, I got my Netflix as well, and Spotify. That's all paid for. And even the amount I'm getting for the cardholder staking seems to have gone up as well, like $39 last week, whereas the week before it was like $20. And then the week before that, it was $19.31. So overall, I just think Crypto.com is a brilliant company. It's really good. It's the only crypto product I've used every day since I started my crypto journey, maybe with the exception of TradingView. But certainly for money and stuff, Crypto.com's been the way forward for me. So I don't know. If you haven't got a Crypto.com card, have a think about it. I mean, all you have to do is stake a load of CRO to get one of the cards. It is quite a lot, but you can get the lower tier cards. This one for free, and these two with either a monthly subscription. And then these ones here, you obviously need to stake a lot of CRO. I mean, this is the one I got, but I got it back in 2020 when all I had to do was stake 100,000 CRO, which then was worth about 6,000 euros, I think it was. And I'm very pleased I did that because it's worth a lot more now. Anyway, let's have a quick look at the charts before I go, because I've noticed something has happened while I've been talking about this. Well, it does look like we've had a little bit of a bounce. Whether that's going to be a full bounce, I don't know. Let's just look at this with Quadzilla on the 3-minute time frame, and you can see actually these two EMAs here, the yellow 21 EMA and the green 55 EMA, these are about to cross here, aren't they? And they're going to cross bullish, and that's showing that green shading there, which is all pretty good. So maybe the price will bounce from here and we will go up, and maybe I was right all along. Although sometimes it's hard to believe, isn't it? Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you want to try out this indicator, by the way, you can get a month's free trial by going to savewithcrypto.org/QZ. And actually, if you use one of the exchanges that we are affiliated with and you've got a decent trading volume, you can keep it for free. If you like the sound of that, please do give the video a great big fat like. While you're down there, make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications set on all. Any questions, leave in the comments down below, and above all, tell your friends.